about Karnataka's medical colleges? Why not? Karnataka is not just meant for its filter coffee and Mysore Palace. It's also the land of top MBBS colleges in India. From BMC IRI in the heart of Bengaluru to KMC Manipal near the beaches, Karnataka has something for every NEET aspirant. So quickly grab your notebook because, my friends, let's decode MBBS colleges in Karnataka. So let's start with the basics. Why Karnataka? Karnataka has 60 plus MCI and NMC approved medical colleges. It has a strong mix of government colleges, private colleges, and deemed universities. It's one of the few open states. Other state students can also apply. It has excellent clinical exposure due to high patient flow. And modern cities like Bangalore, Mysore, and Mangalore have the top infrastructure and student life. And the best part is, the state has colleges for every kind of student. From rankers aiming for BMC RI to those who are looking for good private colleges like MS Ramaiah or KMC. Now let me take you to the top medical colleges in Karnataka. BMC RI, Bangalore Medical College and Research Institute. It's a premium government college located in central Bangalore. It has affiliated hospitals like Boring, Victoria, Vani Villar and PMFSY Super Speciality. And the cutoff for the general category is 600 plus NEET marks. And the fee is just 70,000 total approximately. It's a government quota. The vibe here has intense clinical exposure plus city hustle that are solid medicine. And the next one is Mysore Medical College and Research Institute. It's one of the oldest medical colleges in India. It has the stunning colonial architecture and campus. It has excellent academics plus a peaceful Mysore lifestyle. It's a great choice for those who want a balance of heritage and healthcare. KIMS Hubli, Karnataka Institute of Medical Science. It's known for trauma, rural healthcare and emergency medicine. It has a very high patient load, so it's raw and real clinical cases. It's also the top pick for students from North Karnataka. Now let's talk about the best private and deemed medical universities. KMC Manipal and KMC Mangalore, that is Kasturba Medical College. It's ranked in India's top 10 private medical colleges consistently. It has great global exposure, high-tech labs and is research-focused. It has a strong NRI community and the fee is approximately 70 to 80 lakhs for total MBBs and also get placement in top hospitals across the world. St. John's Medical College, Bangalore. It's ranked among India's top 15. It's a Christian minority institution known for community medicine. It has excellent faculty and strong medical ethics training. The fee is around 30 to 35 lakhs approximately and need is required. Plus Christian candidates have preferences. MS Ramaiah Medical College is located in the center of Bengaluru and has great hospital tie-ups. It has a tech-enabled campus and a decent hostel life, and also a competitive need cutoff for private quotas. And the fee is around 1.12 crore approximately. JSS Medical College, Mysuru. It's the NACA plus rated deemed university. It's affordable compared to others in its league. It has a strong research base plus international electives. And the fee is around 1.1 crore approximately. Now let's talk about the admission process and the counseling. For government and private colleges, seats are handled by KEA, Karnataka Examination Authority. Participate in KEA counseling even if you are from outside Karnataka. For deemed universities like JSS or KMC, register at MCC Medical Counseling Committee. Must have documents, NEET scorecard, 10th and 12th mark sheets, domicile or eligibility docs, ID proof, photos, etc. Here's a pro tip. Karnataka also has a good number of management plus NRI quota seats, so plan your budget accordingly. Top government colleges like BMC, RI and KIMS. Premium private institutions like KMC Manipal and St. John's. It also has a mix of modern cities plus peaceful towns, and also good options for every niche code bracket. If you want solid academic and real world hospital experience and a great student life, then Karnataka's MBBS colleges are lit. So comment below BMC RI vibes or the Manipal campus life. Which one are you manifesting? And also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.